let's just go over a basic string and what that looks like. Okay, so right now we're going to do load, just a really easy thing to do, which is try to print something. And here, this is what we've printed to the user. This is a string. I could have typed in whatever I wanted and it still would have came up, as long as I did the following. I put an opening closing quote, either double or single, and I started with the word print. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like here. Here we have the opening quote and the closing quote, either double or single, it doesn't matter, but they still have to match on each side, and then print at the beginning, right? You could still do it like this with no space, but that's pretty crappy. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever done well, that was a stupid thing to say. Of course you guys have done math, like algebra and shit. I was really slow in math, so I actually graduated with an, I think what would it be? It would be a sophomore level of math, or like maybe 1 year, so maybe 9th grade level of math from high school. I was in special classes, so that's probably why I was thinking that. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just dumb. So, anyways, there you have the print, which is a necessity to print something to the user, right? A string, and the closing and opening quotes. Okay, and that is it, guys. So we could put, as long as we put print and the opening and closing. Instead, we'll use a single, just for fun, right? I do this. Some people just do opening, and then they type whatever they want, and then they close it like that, and they go down. Some people, I've seen them go like this, right? They start with the opening and closing, and then they press the back arrow, and then they type whatever they want. You know, maybe in case it's going to be long or something. It definitely has a little trick to it, you know, a little more advantage. Just depends on what you're about to do next. But here we'll just put, let's see, big, blue, green. I don't know, you know, and then we'll put something else. How much time am I on right now? 4 minutes. Yeah, and then we'll put another double one, right? Go big or go home. See, and see how if I put that single one, the color, right? The color really helps you. The color just stays black. You want it all to just fade away to gray. If we save that real quick, run it over in PowerShell again, I just press the up arrow to repeat what I just typed, and we have all our beautiful strings right here. Okay, and that is it. I mean, just that is really simple, easy to do. The hardest thing, if you're beginning like I pretty much am right now, is just how to really run PowerShell, how to understand the directories, and how to understand how to change within the directories and in PowerShell, how to name your file as py. Like right here, I have it set as rev01.py. If I don't save it as py, it ends up not using the colors, I'm pretty sure. Let's try this. Let's do save as rev1. Let's just save it as that, maybe. I don't know, I'm having some trouble with that, but I don't know why it's doing that. I've never done that. So anyways, save it as py.py, because it helps the colors come up, from what I know. So anyways, see you guys next time. Bye.